Egypt has always been the regional heavyweight. It's geographically, economically, politically, and historically important. But there's also a lot about Egypt that isn't well known. New places and wonderful sights, experiences, and even hideouts. Places that have yet to be discovered and utilized. One such place is Delta Pharma. Delta Pharma is a pharmaceuticals company that established its own factory in the 10th of Ramadan city in 2000. Today, we are around 1,000 employees, more than 110 pharmaceutical products in almost 185 dosage forms. It currently has more than 50 brands in the pipeline, with 80 SKUs that will be launched one after the other in the coming 5 years. Why Delta Pharma is the new face in Egypt? Delta Pharma is today ranked 27th among the pharmaceutical companies in the country in terms of sales. This is up from 32nd only a year ago in 2016, with market share of 0.9%. Also, in terms of units, we've gone from the 13th ranked company to the 11th. Our sales in 2015 were just over 211 million Egyptian pounds, whereas in 2017 sales were just over 450 million Egyptian pounds. In 2015, our growth rate was at 14.6%. Today, we are growing at 55%. The following chart shows total Delta Pharma next 5 years sales projection per million Egyptian pounds. In 2022, Delta Pharma is aiming to reach 1.5 billion Egyptian pounds. The question is, how did we accomplish this? From the start, our vision was to manufacture and provide quality pharmaceuticals that met the needs of Egypt's vast and diversified market. It was important to produce a product that was affordable to common Egyptians without compromising on quality in any way. To do this, our mission was to build a pharma factory on Egyptian soil so that we could monitor and control the quality of the products being produced. We do not contract or rent production lines in other companies. Everything we do ourselves. Delta Pharma facilities include human and veterinary, sterile and non-sterile production lines. The sterile area includes ampoules liquid, vial either liquid or lyophilized. Non-sterile production lines are divided into solid dosage forms, which include tablets, tablets filled in jars, and hard gelatin capsule lines, granulation area, drying and mixing area, compression area, coating area, blistering area, in-process control lab. Semi-solid dosage forms, which include suppositories area line, a suppository line which has 2 recently added fully automated closed-system Italian machines. These are the Sarong SAS-9 with a production capacity of 4,000 blisters per hour. These are the Sarong SAS-6 with a production capacity of 2,000 blisters per hour. Ointment and cream line. Ointment, machine and cream area line with a 5,000 per hour filling capacity. Liquid dosage forms include oral drops, syrup, suspension, emulsion, and external solution. Line, machine capacity 5,000 per hours filling. QC and R&D labs are responsible for designing new products, analyzing incoming materials, releasing finished goods, and performing stability studies for all products to ensure safety and efficacy. Labs are divided into 3 sections. A chemical section, which consists of instrumental, chemical, and physical labs responsible for all chemical analysis. A microbiological section, which consists of a sterility lab for performing sterility testing of sterile finished products, and a non-sterile lab for analysis of raw materials, finished goods, and utility testing. An R&D section, which consists of a solid formulation lab, liquid and semi-solid formulation lab, and lyophilized products lab for performing new product design to reach effective and stable finished products that compare to reference products. The R&D section has a unique facility between R&D labs in Egypt, R&D small-scale lyophilizer, which can make R&D trials required for lyophilized products. The Delta Pharma warehouse is characterized by the existence of several separate stores for each item separately. Raw materials store, with total capacity of about 740 bales of raw materials, in addition to a refrigerator room that is used to preserve sensitive materials that need to be stored in temperatures less than 8 degrees Celsius. Packaging materials store with a capacity of up to 1,400 bales. Finished product store with storage capacity of 3,000 bales. This has a complete temperature control system to keep all products stored at the optimum conditions. All these stores are designed to uphold the highest safety and health standards implementations with the highest quality standards, CGMP, under the supervision of the Quality Assurance Department. Next, in order to fulfill the different needs of Egypt's market, it was important to produce a diversified line of products to fulfill different therapy needs. Neuro and psychiatry line. The analgesic, non-steroidal, anti-inflammatory and antipyretic line. The anti-infectives line. The diabetes and CVS line. The gastrointestinal line. The dermatology line, the respiratory and antihistamine line, the vitamins and minerals line, miscellaneous. All such production, of course, is undertaken in compliance with national and international regulations, laws and guidelines. GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice. FDA, Food and Drug Administration. EMEA, European Medicines Agency. ICH, International Conference on Harmonization. Regular MOH inspection is carried out to fulfill all tests for products and raw materials. Quality control of finished products and starting materials is continually carried out against international standards and guidelines USP, United States Pharmacopoeia, and BP, British Pharmacopoeia. Due to these assets and credentials, Delta Pharma is today one of the dominant players in the Middle East, Central Asia, and Africa. We export to 25 different countries within these regions and provide them with the same high-quality products that we have been producing and distributing within Egypt since we began operations. And so, just as Egypt still offers potential strength and opportunity, Delta Pharma continues to offer the same and to demonstrate a new and never-before-seen face of Egypt. Look into Delta Pharma and discover a hidden preciousness you have never seen before.